Hello guys, welcome back to Wall Street Wizard. Today I am going to explain to you how you can use an option chain. The first thing you will have to do is pick out an underlying. In this case I chose Nvidia, and before we can start to buy any options, you should understand the basic structure of an options chain. And the first thing you will always have to do is choose your expiration date, which you see in the top line here. So we can use or we can choose anything between 7 days and 161 days till expiration. So the first thing you will have to do is pick out your expiration date. So after you have chosen your expiration date, the next thing you will have to decide is whether you want to trade a call option or a put option, and at which strike you want to trade it. So the strike is here in the middle, and the calls are on the left side and the puts are on the right side. So if you want to speculate that Nvidia is gonna rise in the next few days, you could decide to buy a call option, a long call option, and this would be on the call side. And if you want to buy, you buy at the ask price. So here is your section to trade long call options. If you want to trade short call options, this is on the left side here at the bid price, so calls, and you can sell calls at the left side, and the same on the other sides for puts. If you want to sell a put, it's at the bid price, and if you want to buy a put, you do this at the ask price. So one thing you should always keep in mind is that the shorter the time till expiration is, the cheaper the options will be. So for example, the August 16th option, so it's only 7 days, not too long. If you want to trade a long call at the strike of 106, you pay around $3.60 for this option. Keep that in mind, $3.60, because if we go down the expiration dates for longer running options, for example the 18th of October, and you look at the same strike price, $106, if you look at the same strike price at 106 and it's just a different expiration date, you will pay $11.50 for this option. So much more than the August 16th option. So the longer you go out in the expiration date, the more you will pay for the option, which is pretty logical if you think about it, because the longer it is till expiration, the more time your option has to reach your strike price and bring you into profit. You have to be aware that if you're trading options, you are always trading in a multiple of 100. So if you are trading a long call in this scenario, it is at $3 and around 60 cents. But it's not that you only pay $3.65 if you buy one option. You always have to multiply it by 100. So this would be around 360, and the longer running option we had here at the strike of 106 would be $1,150. So this is very important to keep in mind, that one option is always a multiple of 100. Don't forget that. Yeah, this is the basic function. Now, if we want to buy a long call, for example, at the strike price of 106, you only have to click on the button, and then you can see a summary of the order here. So your max loss is $1,150. Here it is calculated for you. As you see, it is the multiple of 100, so $11.50 times 100. Your break-even price will be 117.60 around, so uh, the stock price needs to rise above that level at expiration for you to be in profit. You can see the probability of profit here, it's around 40%, and some other data like market data, how much commission you are going to pay, the Greeks, which I will explain in another video, and the P&L diagram where you can see different scenarios. So for example, if the stock rises 30%, you can read the P&L of this option. Yeah, and the only thing left to do is to order. The market is closed at the moment, so I will do it right now. But this is how you can use an option chain. I have only explained in this example how you can buy a long call. If you want to see how you can trade a short call or a long put or a short put, you can like the video and leave a comment what you want to see next, and I would be happy if you subscribe to the channel to don't miss any videos. And yeah, I'm happy to see you next time. Bye bye.